everybody, here's the training update. And it didn't go well as far as COVID and the pandemic, because turns out in Melbourne we went back from stage 1 to the gym for about almost 2 weeks, and then we got locked down again. We're back home, so program wise not ideal, but I'm better prepared than last time, and I'm looking at kind of continuing this program rather than reverting to just home workouts. So muscle mass will continue. I'll just in this video show you how I improvise and substitute some exercises that I can't do. All in all, it's not like we haven't experienced this lockdown before, so the second one is going to be tough, but more better prepared as far as a training concept. So yeah, check out this video if you're looking to kind of improvise your workouts at home as well. Regarding the training, I've been in here again for about a month doing muscle mass, substituting exercises. I've just done the weigh-in, and all in all, I'm pretty happy, and content with the fact that we'll be in here for a while and smashing out programs. And I've been feeling like I've been getting a good workout. So I think that while you kind of miss the energy and the camaraderie of training with people in a big gym, training at home, 10 kilos is still 10 kilos, weight is weight, and you've still got to move it. And as long as you're moving it, you're getting some kind of response. I've been running twice a week, and I'm going to then have a 2-week break, possibly look at doing some high intensity interval workouts, and then transition into some more intermediate running. So yeah, I've been keeping up my running as well, which has been really good. Here's a look at my July and what I've done in July, and not much is happening this year with lockdown, so there's not much to do other than look after my gorgeous baby girl Ayla and help my wife shave. So today let's take a look at the back and bis workout and look how I've improvised and subbed exercises out that I can't do in my home gym. I really like muscle mass. It really suits the lockdown. It's just therapeutic the way that the programming progresses each week. You basically, as I've said in the previous video, you're working on a particular rep range each week. So I'm kind of going all the way over a month through 12, 10, 8, 5 reps, and I think with the lockdown, it's a nice pace to train at, and to just lift some heavier at the end of the month and then go back and go up in weight. So let's go check out back and bis. Alrighty, so here we are. We're checking out the weigh-in, 110.9 kilos, 17.7% body fat, and I have got the body conditioning of a 20-year-old. Not too bad. The weight has gone up 400 grams in just over a month, and my body fat has gone up slightly, and I would like to get it into the 16% range if that's possible. Sean, get it together. My lean body mass slightly decreased by 100 grams, so I'm just a little bit off in the last month, but that was possibly put down to the adjustment of the gyms closing and having to revert back to the home gym and get myself conditioned and set up training at home again. This is week 6, back, biceps and abs. Barbell bent over row is part of the muscle mass program, 4 sets of 10. I love this exercise, and I'm checking out this time the new Iron Edge plates that I've got at home. I love them, and they're mega. Next up is the pull-ups have been subbed in for the machine front pull down, which is normally in the muscle mass program, and the majority of exercises this week are 10 reps. So we're pushing through those. Next up is the dumbbell prone row, and that's been subbed in for the cable row, which is in the muscle mass program, 3 sets of 10 reps. I chose the prone row. It's pretty much one of my favorite rowing exercises. I like it because you can just see how comfortable the back is there, nice and aligned. And you can go a little bit heavier with the dumbbells, although the 22.5 kilo dumbbells are the heaviest I've got at home. I will be ordering the 25s as soon as I can. The band pull-ups have come in for the underhand lat pull down, so I've just made a substitution there. I love band pull-ups. I feel like I can actually do a pull-up with the band.
Furthermore, you get to go all the way down into the reps. So band pull-ups are a popular choice for a lat back exercise. Steady as she comes, the barbell curls stays in and in the program. That's what's suggested, and I have the barbell curl at home. I have the Super Iron Edge barbell, Kera coated with a nice kind of Darth Maul saber color. That is my favorite barbell, and here I am doing 4 sets of 10 reps. Next up, dumbbell incline curls. One of my favorite types of curls. I've brought them in for the barbell preacher curl, so I don't have a preacher curl. So yeah, I'm real happy to kind of continue doing incline curls at home, which I was previously doing at home before we went back to gym temporarily. Incline curls, as I said, is one of my favorite exercises for the arms. I just love the angle that it presents, and just obviously I'm doing a bit of a twisting curl with incline, which is my go-to in that case. The following exercise coming up is probably my long-term favorite, hammer curls, and they've been subbed in for the cable-seated straight bar curls. I am hopeful of getting a cable machine actually at home, and that would absolutely be tremendous for my home gym capabilities. The back and the buys are done, and we move to the core, the abs, and the best crunch you can possibly do is a stability ball crunch. So that comes in for decline crunches. Fantastic exercise. Reason being, as you can see, it shapes around your back. So you want that kind of curve in your back with the crunch, and the ball just molds around your body. Easy to glute bridge out of. The final exercise was the plank. Nothing fancy about the plank. It's just a really good exercise. For me, it just alleviates back pain. It strengthens my core. It's just a red hot planking exercise that you can do anywhere. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out some of my other ones and stay tuned for next month's update.